Today we are going to solve product array puzzle, which is similar to the prefix sum pattern. Most of us have seen this problem somewhere else, and it's quite an easy problem. All you need to do is take an array of ones comprising it, and let us take the prefix sum initially to 0. Sorry, this is a product, so initial values of prefix and suffix values be 1, and let us go through the array, and every time we do this we'll add that to the prefix sum. So for every I, the latest prefix is added. So we'll get an initial prefix product, and let us go through the array again, but this time in a reverse order, and every time for this let us update it with the suffix product, and let us return the prefix array. Yeah, it works, and let us submit this. And it's clean and clear. So basically you need to remember that initially you need to calculate the prefix array, and after that we'll multiply it from the back side. Sorry, let's say it's pref. So you got the initial prefix product. So whenever you came again 19, we'll just go through from the reverse of the array, and we have 900 into the first suffix value, the initially, and it's 900. So the last value is 900, and 150 into 2 is 300, and 30 into 6, let's say 30 into 6 into 300, we'll get this value. I think maybe I'm bad at maths at this point, but all you need to do is initially calculate the prefix product, and after that go back through the array again, and just update the same prefix array again and again. You can also use this for the sum. So what the problem here is, we need to find the product of it at this position without considering the sim. So for 10, it's going to be 3 into 5 into 6 into 2, and for 3 it's going to be 10 into 5 into 6 into 2. Please remember this pattern. This pattern is going to help you solve two problems, product array and sum array. Hope you understood the problem, and today's lead code problem is quite interesting. Please go through it again, and please like, share and subscribe.